On the HC/DC series units, IBC provides a standard 1558 Grundfos pump that is rated for oxygen barrier or non-oxygen barrier tubing. Because of this pump design, it's imperative that we remove the air from the back side of the pump where the rear bearing is. We've provided a large screw or coin vent that you can open the pump and bleed the air after the system is installed and charged. So at this point here, you take our standard rag, place it underneath the pump, and go ahead and take your coin and bleed the pump. Turn it just enough to release the O-ring internally and allow the water to bleed. Once the water is bleeding from the system, air will escape at the same time. When the air and the water have come to a conclusion where it is only water, go ahead and tighten the screw back down until the O-ring seats. At this point, you have bled the bottom of the pump and the back side of the pump. Go ahead and restore power and allow the boiler to function.